Now we're going over how to do the dumbbell reverse fly. Now this is a great exercise for specifically targeting the posterior or back head of the shoulder. A lot of people only work what they can see in the mirror, which is the front and side head of the shoulder, but you also want to make sure that you're doing exercises like these to make sure that you're getting that overall shoulder development. Now, a few tips to make sure that you are doing this effectively. Tip number 1, you want to make sure that you bend your torso forward so that your chest is parallel with the ground when you are performing this movement. Tip number 2, you want to make sure that you are extending your arms out to the side of you throughout the movement to make sure that you're keeping the tension on that posterior back head of the shoulder muscle. Tip number 3, you want to make sure that you hold the contraction at the top of the movement for at least 1 second. This is a very small range of motion in this particular exercise. So to get the biggest bang for your buck and most growth out of this exercise, you want to make sure that you hold that contraction for at least 1 second at the top of the movement. This is how you effectively do a dumbbell reverse fly.